Welcome. If you want to turn off Google Assistant on your UMIDIGI A3, at the first you have to enter for your Google application. Next we have to move for the more, go for the settings, then tap on the Google Assistant. Next we have to go right here and scroll down. Let's switch to the assistant. Then we have to tap on the phone. And as you can see right here, we can easily turn off this assistant by tapping right here. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!